Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very rough move around this one today. First 30 minutes, the price really flushed downwards, but then even after that, the price continued to drift further downwards. Price did get a nice little bounce here, so that's what makes this chart interesting. Is it's not like it was pure bears the entire day. The bulls did show up again, but now things started to roll back over here a little bit, which is what makes this area very interesting in my mind going forward. Right here at $2.40. $2.40 is important, in my mind at least, for no other reason other than if the price were to go down to $2.40 and then just continue on down, well, at that point, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price came down here, behave like that, and then began to work its way back upwards, at least at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows right there, and if you envision these as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's what it's all about going forward. Is the price did show some upwards movement, but if there's going to be some sort of true power and true strength as the rest of this week plays out, and still 4 days left, then yeah, the price is going to need to show signs of progress. And again, progress right now being defined as $2.40. What about areas of resistance? If the price does return back up to those highs, and a very apparent stubborn area on the day is right there at $2.50, you can see that's essentially where it got rejected from this morning, and then the late afternoon part right again where it was rejected. So $2.50 going to be that near-term level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, then the overarching level to watch is going to be that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, that line is going to move itself further and further downwards. So watch that. Yes, right now it's valued at $2.73, but again, that line is going to move, and therefore that value is going to change. So that 273 will, continue to drop. But I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. First off, the prices first just got to get back up above the $2.50 mark. So we'll see how this one continues to play out, but definitely an interesting scenario going forward, and still 4 days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.